Hello wonderful people, and welcome back, or welcome to Mistletoes. If it is your first time here, you're in for a treat, because we've got Derek and Dave making us a lovely Christmas cake. Let's go see what they're up to.
Hello, welcome back to Mistletoe's cooking shop. Today we'll be making a delicious cake. So we will start by pouring in flour.
200 grams.
Okay, just carefully.
Dave's a little bit heavy on that flour.
And then, would you like to crack an egg for the bowl, please?
I would. 1 egg is used for this recipe.
Remember folks, don't do that one at home. You know, we've got trained professionals here at the studio.
Okay. Okay, then we will continue by adding some milk. But we don't have any milk, so we will add in whatever this is. Just alright. Then let's go to my secret ingredients.
Hi, sorry, there's a bit of a problem backstage. Is it okay if we have me?
Hang on folks, I'll be back in a minute.
We are here with some special ingredients for my top secret list. Don't go spread this one around, ladies and gentlemen. We have some beautiful crayons. What would you like to present?
I would like to present some good baby powder for that nice fluffy texture.
Now, would you let me add my crayons first?
Yes. And for our baby powder, 2 shakes is all you need.
Jesus. I think we need more ingredients.
Thank you. Yeah, we do.
And now we have some special granny medicine, which is central. Okay.
And we have some calm strong energy drink for that kick in your mouth.
Would you like to add yours first or more?
Of course. Just a dabble.
Must be. Would you like to?
Well, let's go get our next ingredients.
Lovely. Here I have some quality glue. What would you like to present?
I have some W5 removes the worst clogs power gel and some nails.
Okay. I'm gonna add some glue. Just a little bit.
It just looks delicious.
Nice and crispy.
Now I'll add some power gel in.
Trouble?
I'll just try and lock. Add some little bit of power gel. And now for our last ingredient, a nice, would you like to have it too? Nice seasoning of nails.
And since I have to outgrow them because I have that self-need, some money. Some money. And would you like to put it in the microwave or shall I?
Before it goes in the microwave, you have to stir it together.
Now, while my friends are stirring, we've forgotten to make a silly mistake. But
Oh yeah, I think we have.
would you like one?
I would.
I think we'll do. Anyway,
I think it's time for the microwave.
will
All
you
done.
please open the door for me?
Sorry about that, guys. We had a little bit of technical difficulties behind the scenes. Oh, and it seems like they've finished.
Doesn't that look great?
And just like that, a perfect cake. Now, my hands are a bit messy. Would you mind lifting out? Maybe giving it a rub. You know, just
And this is how you make a wonderful Christmas cake.
Oh, good timing.
Here is our Christmas cake, freshly baked.
Ah, it seems like you've really outdone yourself. This looks absolutely wonderful. Get a little shot of that. Wow. It's actually very good.
Thank you.
And what is this flavor, this texture? I mean, it's undescribable. So many, it's like crunchy and smooth and sweet and sour and
Oh, I couldn't tell you. Just
wow.
could be the cod liver oil, but it also could be the screws.
Good one. I mean, wow, Derek, this is really good.
Who's Derek?
What do you mean? You're Derek, you, Derek and Dave, you know, the ones that I hired for the show.
I don't know who Derek and Dave is. I don't know what you're talking about. I told you we're not chefs.
So, you mean the cod liver and screws? That wasn't a joke?
We're not chefs.